Picture this. You're lounging on a white sand beach, the warm sun on your skin as you sip a perfectly chilled pina colada. Now, imagine experiencing this luxury without breaking the bank to get there. Yup, that's the power of travel credit cards. In this video, I'll unveil the top 7 cards that can turn this dream into reality. From earning points on everyday purchases to unlocking premium perks, these cards are your ticket to transforming mundane expenses into extraordinary adventures. But the benefits don't stop at free travel. Many premium travel cards offer a bunch of perks that can elevate your whole journey. We're talking about complimentary airport lounge access, where you can escape the terminal chaos and enjoy free food and drinks. Then, there are travel credits that can offset airline fees or hotel charges, essentially putting money back in your pocket. Some cards even grant you elite status with airlines or hotels, unlocking upgrades and special treatment. Of course, it's crucial to remember that these cards typically require good to excellent credit scores. They also come with the responsibility of using credit wisely, but for those who can manage them effectively, travel credit cards open doors to experiences that might otherwise be out of reach. So, let's get straight into the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Wells Fargo Autograph Card. This relative newcomer has made waves in the travel card space, offering a compelling mix of rewards and benefits without breaking the bank. Let's start with the sign-up bonus. New card holders can earn 40,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. That's a solid chunk of points to kickstart your travel fund. The earning structure is where this card really shines. You'll rack up 3 times the points on restaurants, travel, gas stations, transit, popular streaming services, and phone plans. That's an impressive list of categories, covering many common spending areas. All other purchases earn 1 times the points. Key benefits include a $50 annual credit on airfare when you book through the Wells Fargo portal, cell phone protection, and no foreign transaction fees. These perks add real value, especially considering the card's annual fee, or lack thereof. That's right, the autograph card comes with a $0 annual fee. So who is this card best for? It's an excellent choice for those new to travel rewards, or anyone looking for a no annual fee option that still packs a punch. The broad triple points categories make it easy to earn points on everyday spending, while the travel protections provide peace of mind on your journeys. So in my opinion, the Wells Fargo Autograph is a solid entry-level travel card. While it might not offer the premium perks of higher-end cards, its strong earning rate across multiple categories and no annual fee make it a valuable addition to many wallets. Coming in at number 6, we have the American Express Gold Card, a powerhouse for food lovers and frequent travelers alike. This card has earned its reputation as a go-to for dining and groceries, with travel perks to boot. The sign-up bonus is typically around 60,000 membership rewards points after spending $4,000 in the first 6 months. That's a nice haul to start your rewards journey. The earning structure is where this card truly shines. You'll get 4 times the points at restaurants worldwide and U.S. supermarkets, up to $25,000 per year, then 1 times the points. 3 times the points on flights booked directly with airlines or on AmexTravel.com, and 1 times the points on everything else. For foodies and home cooks, this card is a dream. Key benefits include up to $120 in annual dining credits and up to $120 in Uber Cash, which can be used for Uber rides or Uber Eats orders. These credits effectively offset much of the $250 annual fee. Amex membership rewards points are highly valuable, with a wide array of transfer partners, including Delta, ANA, and Marriott. This flexibility allows you to maximize your points value. The Amex Gold is best for those who spend heavily on dining and groceries, and who can take advantage of the credits to offset the annual fee. It's also great for those who value the ability to transfer points to various travel partners. Final verdict? While the annual fee is considerable, the Amex Gold's fantastic earning rate on food and flexible redemption options make it a top contender for many travelers and food enthusiasts. Coming towards the midpoint of our list, we find the Chase Sapphire Preferred, a card that's long been considered the gold standard for mid-tier travel cards. The sign-up bonus is typically around 60,000 ultimate rewards points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. This bonus alone can be worth $750 when redeemed for travel through Chase's portal. As for earning, you'll get 5 times the points on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3 times the points on dining, select streaming services, and online grocery purchases, double points on other travel purchases, and single points on all other purchases. There's also a 10% anniversary point bonus on your total purchases made the previous year. Key benefits include a $50 annual Ultimate Rewards hotel credit, primary rental car insurance, trip cancellation interruption insurance, and no foreign transaction fees. You'll also get a complimentary Dash Pass subscription. The $95 annual fee is reasonable given the benefits, especially considering the versatility of Chase Ultimate Rewards points. These points can be transferred to numerous airline and hotel partners or redeemed for 1.25 cents each through Chase's travel portal. The Sapphire Preferred is best for those new to travel rewards who want a card with transferable points and solid travel protections without a high annual fee. It's also great for those who may not travel enough to justify a premium card, but still want quality travel benefits. So what's the bottom line? The Chase Sapphire Preferred offers an excellent balance of earning potential, redemption flexibility, and travel benefits at a modest annual fee, making it a top favorite among travel enthusiasts. Just missing the podium, we have the Capital One Venture X, a relatively new entrant that's quickly become a favorite among travel rewards enthusiasts. The sign-up bonus is typically around 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. This is a substantial bonus that can cover a lot of travel expenses. The earning structure is straightforward but potent. 10 times the miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5 times the miles on flights booked through Capital One Travel, and double miles on all other purchases. This flat double points rate on everything makes it an excellent card for everyday spending. Where the Venture X really shines is in its benefits. You get up to a $300 annual travel credit for bookings made through Capital One Travel, 10,000 bonus miles every account anniversary, worth $100 towards travel, unlimited access to Capital One lounges and Priority Pass lounges for you and 2 guests, up to a $100 credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck, and primary rental car insurance. Perhaps most impressively, you can add up to 4 authorized users for free, and they also get full lounge access benefits. The annual fee is $395, but the travel credit and anniversary bonus miles effectively reduce this to $95 for most users. Capital One miles can be transferred to numerous airline and hotel partners, often at a 1-to-1 ratio, providing great flexibility in how you use your rewards. The Venture X is best for frequent travelers who can take advantage of the lounge access and travel credit, as well as those who appreciate simplicity in earning and redeeming rewards. My take is the Capital One Venture X offers premium travel benefits at a reasonable, effective cost, making it an excellent choice for those ready to step up from a mid-tier travel card. Its simple earning structure and valuable perks make it a strong contender for your best travel card. Taking the bronze medal in our ranking is the Chase Sapphire Reserve, a premium travel card that's been a favorite since its debut. The sign-up bonus typically hovers around 60,000 Ultimate Rewards points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. While not the highest bonus out there, these points are incredibly valuable due to their flexibility. The earning structure is robust. 10 times the points on hotels and car rentals purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 5 times the points on flights purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3 times the points on other travel and dining worldwide, and 1 times the points on all other purchases. There's also a 10% anniversary point bonus on your total purchases made the previous year. The benefits are where this card truly excels. You get a $300 annual travel credit that applies to a wide range of travel purchases, Priority Pass Select membership for lounge access, up to $100 credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck, primary rental car insurance, trip cancellation interruption insurance, and no foreign transaction fees. You also get DoorDash benefits and Lyft Pink all-access membership. The annual fee is $550, which is largely offset by the travel credit for frequent travelers. Chase Ultimate Rewards points can be transferred to numerous travel partners or redeemed for 1.5 cents each through Chase's travel portal, providing excellent flexibility and value. The Sapphire Reserve is best for frequent travelers who can take advantage of the travel credit and lounge access, and who spend heavily in the travel and dining categories. Final verdict: while the Sapphire Reserve has strong competition from newer premium cards, it remains an excellent choice due to its well-rounded benefits, strong earning potential in key categories, and the exceptional value and flexibility of Ultimate Rewards points. It's a particularly good option for those already in the Chase ecosystem. Our runner-up is the American Express Platinum Card, a card that's synonymous with luxury travel. The welcome offer typically ranges from 80,000 to 150,000 membership rewards points after meeting the spending requirement, which can vary. This can potentially be one of the highest sign-up bonuses available. The earning structure is focused on travel. 5 times the points on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel, on up to $500,000 per calendar year. 5 times the points on prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel, and 1 times the points on all other eligible purchases. Where the Platinum truly shines is its benefits. You get access to the most extensive lounge network of any credit card, including Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs when flying Delta, and Priority Pass lounges. Other benefits include up to $200 annual airline fee credit, up to $200 in Uber credits annually, up to $200 hotel credit for prepaid fine hotels and resorts or the hotel collection bookings, up to $300 Equinox credit, up to $240 digital entertainment credit, up to $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit, global entry or TSA PreCheck credit, elite status with Hilton and Marriott, and numerous travel protections. The annual fee is a hefty $695, but the credits can offset much of this for those who can fully utilize them. The Platinum is best for frequent travelers who value luxury experiences, can take advantage of lounge access, and can utilize the numerous statement credits. So in conclusion, the American Express Platinum offers unparalleled luxury travel benefits and lounge access. While the high annual fee and focused earning structure may not be for everyone, those who can maximize its benefits will find tremendous value in this iconic travel card. Taking the top spot in our ranking is a card that might surprise some: the Bilt Mastercard. This innovative card has no annual fee and no sign-up bonus, yet it's revolutionizing the travel rewards space. The earning structure is what sets Bilt apart. 3 times the points on dining, 2 times the points on travel, 1 times the points on all other purchases, and most importantly, 1 times the points on rent payments, with no fees. This last feature is game-changing, allowing renters to earn valuable points on their largest monthly expense. While there's no traditional sign-up bonus, Bilt offers a welcome bonus in the form of bonus points for completing certain actions in your first 30 days, like making your first purchase or setting up direct deposit. Key benefits include cell phone protection, purchase protection, rental car coverage, no foreign transaction fees, and World Elite Mastercard benefits. Bilt also offers unique features like interest-bearing checking accounts and a path to homeownership through its points. The Bilt reward system is incredibly valuable, with one-to-one transfer partners including American Airlines, United, Hyatt, and more. This allows for pretty awesome flexibility and value in point redemptions. Bilt is best for renters who want to earn points on their rent payments, frequent travelers who value flexible point transfers, and anyone looking for a no annual fee card with premium travel rewards. The Bilt Mastercard takes my top spot due to its innovative earning structure, valuable transfer partners, and lack of annual fee. It allows renters to earn meaningful rewards on their largest expense while providing the flexibility of a premium travel card. For many, especially those paying rent, this card can be the cornerstone of a powerful travel rewards strategy. While these top 7 cards offer exceptional value, there are a few others worth considering that didn't quite make the cut. First up is US Bank Altitude Reserve Visa Infinite Card. This card offers 3 times the points on travel and mobile wallet purchases, which can be incredibly lucrative if you use mobile payments frequently. It also provides a $325 annual travel credit and Priority Pass Select membership. The 50,000-point sign-up bonus and the ability to redeem points at 1.5 cents each for travel make this a strong contender, especially for those who bank with U.S. Bank. Another card to consider is the Barclays AAdvantage Aviator Red World Elite Mastercard. This card is notable for its easy-to-earn sign-up bonus. You get 60,000 American Airlines miles after making just one purchase and paying the $99 annual fee. It's an excellent choice for those who fly American Airlines frequently and want to quickly boost their AAdvantage miles balance. Lastly, I absolutely love the Citi Premier Card. It offers 3 times the points on air travel, hotels, gas stations, restaurants, and supermarkets, making it a strong earner across many categories. The ability to transfer points to various airline partners and an annual $100 hotel savings benefit make this a solid choice for many travelers. These cards, while not in our top 7, offer unique benefits that might make them the perfect fit for your specific travel needs and spending habits. And there you have it, our roundup of the best travel credit cards for 2025. From the no annual fee Wells Fargo Autograph to the premium American Express Platinum, each card offers unique advantages for different types of travelers. Remember, the key to maximizing these cards is to choose one that aligns with your spending patterns and travel aspirations. Whether you're dreaming of overwater bungalows in the Maldives or a food tour through Europe, the right card can help you get there faster and in style. Want to know the latest massive changes to Priority Pass? Check it out here.